Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video I am going to discuss about dummy variables. So what is dummy variables? In statistics, particularly in regression analysis, a dummy variable is one that takes only the value 0 or 1 to indicate the absence or presence of some categorical effect. And how to create dummy variables? A dummy variable is a type of variable that we create in regression analysis so that we can represent a categorical variable as a numerical variable that takes on one of two values like 0 or 1. For example, suppose we have the following data set and we would like to use age and marital status to predict income. So, to use marital status as a predictor variable in a regression model, we must convert it into a dummy variable. I hope so you got this simple concept about dummy variable. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Goodbye.